Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? If you are new to the channel, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Weave, and here on my channel, we coach you on 3 important facets of your life. First, on your personal growth and development. Second, we push you forward as you continue to grow professionally in your careers in business and entrepreneurship. Third, we always help you to build, maintain, and nurture long, lasting, and more meaningful relationships. Today, we find out whether you have a plan for hitting your goals. And if you don't, what's your plan to make a plan? Now, if you don't know much about me, I don't like to waste time. And I'm ready to get into it, so let's do that right now. Setting a goal is not the most important part. It's deciding how you will go about achieving it and sticking with your plan. And here's the thing about plans. They change, right? Sometimes you have to adjust, but the goal still remains the same, right? But we get stuck in a mentality because we have this perception that whatever plan we had seems so ironclad that we don't want to change it. You might map out this plan so long, and it seems like the right path, the right connections, the right resources in order for you to achieve and surpass your goals, that you don't want to hear anything else or veer away from it. But your ability to navigate through the struggle and hardships involved in your life as you go on your journey is not in vain. The plan is ultimately success, right? It's to dominate your goals. It's to come out on the other side of your journey of success, right? But you can't overlook the most important part of the journey. To embrace the small, minute details of becoming a success are what make the end goal worthwhile. You want to grow your social media. You want to gain more followers. You want to gain more customers. You want to finish school in 3 years instead of 4. You want to scale your business so you are more profitable. But your view is clouded. Do you want to know why? Because you see all of these incredibly successful people all over TV and all over social media. You see their path and you think to yourself, that should be you. You see your work compared to theirs and you think, your stuff is better than that. That your ideas are better. That your content is better. That your designs are better. And that's wonderful. You may see it that way. But are you finding continuous ways to get better? To adjust your plans when something that comes up seems to have a trend of not working? Are you adjusting to your mistakes immediately? And here's the other part of this. Sometimes your plan is just fine, but you're not fully committed to it. You're taking shortcuts to hit your goals. You're working hard on the days that you feel good. You're more concerned about getting sleep than working on your business plan. You're more concerned with how you look to your peers. You're more concerned with being liked by everybody. Listen, not everyone in life is going to love what you do. They won't think your ideas are as grand as you do. They won't support your business ideas. They won't support a career change. They won't be in your corner when you need them. So it's imperative that you are self-sufficient in both your dream and your self-motivation. You can't wait for someone else to push you forward. You can't do it only on the days that the sun is shining and you feel like all the stars are aligned for you. Whatever you are trying to accomplish has to be important to you beyond measure, that you will push yourself every single day. But if the plan doesn't work, what are you doing? If the goal is to make a lot of money doing something, it takes sweat equity. You know why? Because somewhere across the country, around the world, around your own personal neighborhood, there is someone who has the same dream that you do, except they are exhausting every single opportunity to become great. They are knocking on every door to gain new clients. They are pushing their boundaries and are willing to get uncomfortable to do whatever is necessary to win. But the most important part of the people you see who are successful, they don't quit because things got tough, because they lost money, because they aren't growing at the pace that they think they should be. You will always hear me say that your grind is not in vain, but the grind doesn't always translate into money immediately. It doesn't mean that you are a success immediately. It doesn't mean you're great at what you do and changing all of your circumstances immediately. Sometimes, though, it does mean you should make adjustments and reevaluate your plan. If you continue to beat your head against the wall because your plan isn't working the way that you hoped and you're not progressing towards your goals, then reevaluate and readjust your plans. No one says that your goals can't be hit by changing this plan you seem to be dead set on. The ability to adapt is a trait of successful people that most people overlook. You finding a way to keep the goal the same while accepting when you failed in an attempt and accepting that your plan didn't work is not admitting defeat. What it is, though, is you attacking the same issue from a different perspective. Keep going, keep pushing, and keep digging at your goals. The battle isn't over yet until you get there. Maintain your confidence in self. Believe that you will win. And when you do win, you can look back on this journey and appreciate the process of failing your way to the top. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in today. And if no one has told you this already today, I appreciate you. If you are new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification and become a part of a team that's going to consistently push you forward every single day. I'll be back with a new video for you guys soon. In the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.